Everyone, this is Rahul Kumar. Practicing English is very important to improve your communication skill. It also helps you to improve your commands over your language. In general, people think that speaking quickly makes you a native speaker, or you looks like an English speaker, a good English speaker, but it is not true actually. Communication means the other person should get what you are saying. You can use very simple words to convey your thoughts, and you don't need so much vocabulary, so much sentences. The simple sentences can work. But at the same time, because you want to improve your language, so you have to practice. You have to practice your tenses. You should know new words. You should build your vocabulary. So one of the very important method, or one of the most effective method, is telling the story. Storytelling helps you to build your command, or to gain your command over the past tense. So, and not only that, it also provides you some moral values, which you can tell to your kids and to your friends, because this is one of the Asian method that people try to convey the moral values to their next generation. So in this video I am going to share a very simple and short story, and I hope you like it. So there were in the far away there was a desert, and Rose and Cactus were growing together. But Rose was always complaining that why I am growing next to Cactus. Rose was very beautiful, and he was always complaining that God, why you made me to grow just near to Cactus? Nobody noticed my beauty. So with that, he was always cloudy, and other trees and flower can listen her voice, always complaining to God. And Cactus was always quite complacent. Cactus thought, okay, it's one day he will realize his mistakes, what the Rose is doing. So in very hot summer, what happened? All the water in the jungle dried up, and Rose was barely able to survive without water. His petals were falling, and the beauty the Rose was proud of was losing. He suddenly saw a sparrow dipped his beak into the cactus, and sparrow drank water, and he went away. He realized his mistake and asked Cactus, if you have some water, please give it to me, otherwise I will die. And Cactus happily gave his water to Rose to survive, and then they grow together, and Rose never complained. So moral of the story is very simple. We often bully people because of their appearance, their looks, and you don't know, they don't complain about your bullying, but it creates a deep impact in their personality, in their emotions. So it's better, it should be a funny bantering, but instead of just bullying. So try not to bully, and try to speak, try to create stories, try to record stories, try to make videos to improve your communication skills. Please comment about my story so that I can improve further. Thank you. Wow.